Hello dear subscribers, dear friends, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you and tell you how you can set a ringtone in WhatsApp. Please subscribe to the channel, write comments. Let's get started. For this we need to go to WhatsApp on our iPhone or Android. After that here we have calls, contacts, chats. We press settings to open notifications, and as you can see, there is no setting here where we can set the ringtone. But we can change the notification sound and group notification sound. For this we need to click here. Here is sound, and here choose from the below mentioned. Also go to group notification sound and also change something here. But if you want to change the ringtone in WhatsApp, then you will have to go to settings, open the sounds and haptics tab, and change the ringtone on your iPhone to any other ringtone. Thus when someone calls you, you will have a different ringtone. When you get WhatsApp calls, you will also have a different ringtone. That is, you need to change the ringtone in the iPhone itself. If you like this video, put a like, write comments, subscribe to the channel. Share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye, everybody.